In this video, I'm showing you 5 amazing effects in After Effects. Let's get started. Number 1. Our first effect is called Blinking Cursor Typewriter Console. This effect is incredible. You just type the text, add this effect, and boom. Now you have both a typewriter animation and a cursor that follows the letters, and you can change the cursor as you like. Of course, there are other ways to do this, but to be honest, it's a complete waste of time. Imagine giving the text an animation, then adjusting the cursor to match the text animation using expressions, etc. But with this, you just type the text, add the effect, and that's it. Number 2. This effect is called CC Force Motion Blur. This effect is really good. It's especially useful for editors and clips. For example, if you have a music video where the singer is dancing and singing, this effect will be very useful there. It's not just for clips, of course. With the right technique, it works very well in various animations. It's also very easy to use. Number 3. This effect is optics compensation. You've probably seen this effect in some vlog videos. It gives the feeling of being shot with a 360-degree camera. The effect changes depending on the context. For example, if you want to embed a video on an old generation computer or TV monitor with oval edges, where the monitor protrudes but the sides recede, this effect can be very useful. Number 4. Time displacement effect. This effect is also very good from a VFX perspective. As you can see, it creates a second silhouette like a fluid liquid. It can be used not only for this, but also to create transition effects like glitch, distortion, and wave. In the settings, you first select the layer you want to change. Then you choose how far behind the image will be with the max displacement time. And with the FPS setting, you determine how quickly the displacement map will be calculated. Keeping your frame rate high is beneficial here. Number 5. Our fifth effect is called Numbers. This effect can be very useful for number animations. The working principle is as follows. First, you create an empty text, then add the effect and adjust the font style, etc. Then you choose the direction, horizontal or vertical. Then you choose the alignment of the number, right, left, or center. Here you adjust the number of decimal places, that is, how many digits the number should have. You can create animations not only for numbers, but also for time, short date, or long date animations. For example, if we want to create a number animation, we start the value keyframe, advance a few seconds, and then create the desired value. It's that simple, but very effective. With these amazing effects, what you do with them is entirely up to you. You know what to do for new tips and videos. See you in the next videos.